Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar's online class. You're watching Class.4 Science. Today we are going to see a new lesson. This is lesson 5, Food and Digestion. Let's begin. Have you ever thought, why do we feel hungry? Our body makes us feel hungry and tells us that it needs food, right? Why does it need food? All living things need food. Food helps us to grow and stay alive. It gives us energy to work and play. It makes us strong and protects us from diseases. Our body works all the time. It works when we play, eat, walk, breathe, or run. Some parts of our body keep working even when we are asleep, like our heart. The heart beats all the time to pump blood. For doing all these works, our body requires a lot of energy. From where do we get this energy? We get energy from the food we eat. Why we eat food? We eat food to get energy to study, play, work, grow, and keep ourselves fit and healthy. Understand, students? Next, we will discuss about nutrients. Food that we eat contains variety of nutrients. The substances that are needed by our body for good health and growth are called nutrients. The nutrients present in food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Let me explain one by one. The first one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give energy to our body. They release energy very quickly. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Some carbohydrates are sweet in taste like chocolates and ice creams, etc. These are called sugar. The next one is starch. Some carbohydrates do not have sweets like rice, potato, and bread. This is called starch. Food items like fruits, vegetables, bread, sugar, and cereals contains carbohydrates. Food items rich in carbohydrates are known as energy-giving foods. People who do a lot of physical work like laborers and farmers should consume food rich in carbohydrates. The next one is proteins. Proteins help us to grow. They also build muscles and repair damaged part of our body. Food items like milk, eggs, meat, fish, curd, cheese, nuts, beans, and pulses contains proteins. Food items rich in proteins are known as body-building foods. Growing children need proteins as they are still growing. The next one is fats. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrates. They also keep our body warm. Food items like oil, ghee, Butter and nuts are rich in fats. Food items rich in fats are known as energy giving food. Our body needs very little fat. Extra fat is stored in our body for future use. The next one is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help us to stay fit and healthy. They protect us from diseases. Food items like fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, and meat are rich in vitamins and minerals. Food items rich in vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods. Our body needs vitamins and minerals in small amounts. Vitamin A, B, C, D are examples of vitamins. Vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Papaya, carrot, and leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin A. Vitamin D help build strong bones and teeth. Milk and butter are rich in vitamin D. The next one is calcium. Calcium makes our teeth and bones strong. Milk, curd, paneer, etc. are rich in calcium. Iron helps in the formation of blood in our body. Green leafy vegetables, apples, carrots, etc. are rich in iron. In addition to these nutrients, our food must have roughage and water. Next, we will see about roughage and water. 3/4 of our body weight is water. It helps the body to dissolve, digest, and absorb the food. It helps in removing our body waste through sweat and urine. We should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Next one is roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in food items that we get from plants. Most of the fruits, vegetables, and seeds contains fibers. We cannot digest roughage. It is an important part of our diet because it helps to remove undigested food from our body. Salad gives us a lot of roughages. Next, we will discuss about balanced diet. What is diet? The food we eat daily is called our diet. A diet that contains the right amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, roughage and water is called a balanced diet. To stay healthy and grow well, it is essential to have a balanced diet. All living beings need energy. Food is the main source of energy. Food may not be in the form that the body can use directly. It has to be changed into a simple, usable form. Digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into simpler forms so that it can be used by the body. The digestive system helps the body to do this. Next, we will see the process of digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth itself. The liquid in our mouth is the saliva. It helps us to digest the food. When we start eating, our teeth break up the food into smaller pieces. Saliva softens the food to the pulp. The tongue then pushes bits of this mashed food into the throat when it is swallowed. The food now moves down a tube called a food pipe or esophagus into the stomach. The stomach plays an important role in the digestion. It is a hollow muscular bag. The strong muscles of the stomach use digestive juices to digest the food. It changes the mashed food into semi-solid form. Food remains in the stomach from 1 to 4 hours. This is why we feel full in the evening after a very heavy afternoon meal. When the stomach has finished its work, muscles at the lower end of the stomach open. The liquid food now moves to the small intestine. Digestion is completed in the small intestine. Food is now in its simplest form. The liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas helps the small intestine to complete the digestion of food. The liver secretes bile, which helps to digest the fat. The food passes through the wall of the small intestine into the blood. The blood carries it to all parts of the body. The next one is large intestine. The undigested food and water in the small intestine passes into the large intestine. The large intestine allows water and leftover useful substances to pass back into the blood remains behind. The undigested food then moves from the large intestine into the rectum. It is the finally passed out through the anus when we go to the toilet and defecate. Here we have some points to remember. We eat food to get energy, grow, and keep ourselves fit and healthy. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals and nutrients present in our food. Our food must also have roughage and water. We should take a balanced diet. Digestion of food is necessary to get energy from food. Proteins help in bodybuilding. Carbohydrates and fats give energy. Vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. Roughage is the fiber present in our food. The digestive system consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestines, and rectum. Thank you, students. Have a good day.